Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your PUBG Mobile account. For that, open your PUBG Mobile app and at the login screen tap on the icon matching your original login method: Facebook, Twitter, Google Play, Apple ID or email, and you can log in through that, and you'll get and then you'll regain access to your character. And if you have lost access to all of your linked platforms or your account was hacked, you need to tap on help button that is located on the top right or bottom right of the login screen, and you can simply tap on that and tap account recovery and read through the instructions, and then tap account recovery and read through the instructions carefully and provide the requested information, which may include your character name or player ID, your UID, and the model of your device, and a new email address for the support team to contact to you, and submit the form and they will contact you and help you claim your account. It might take 14 business days to recover your account, and that is how you can recover your PUBG Mobile account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.